Hello and namaste. Today I came up with the recipe of everyone's favorite masala chicken, also known as Bhuna chicken. Now I'm going to show you very simple way of making delicious Bhuna chicken. Let's start. So let's start with the chicken marination. I'm going to use 500 gram of chicken, which is in bone. If you like, you can use any kind of chicken. Half lemon juice. Lemon juice will make chicken tender. Add some oil. Oil will hold the marination. I'm going to add some turmeric powder. Turmeric powder has several benefits. It adds nice color to the food. Also, it has health benefits. I'm going to add salt to a taste. Now let's give a good massage to the chicken so that all the marination will mix together and chicken will get really tender. Let's give a rest for 25 to 30 minutes. Now I'm going to cook the chicken. Heat the oil. Put some cinnamon stick. Two cardamom. Some cumin seeds. Just give a gentle stir. 2 pieces of bay leaf. Cook for 5 seconds and then add onion. Cook onion until it's turned into light brown color. As you can see, onion is done. Now I'm adding chicken into it. Just add chicken one by one so that we can grill the chicken and get light brown color all over to it. I'm cooking the chicken pieces both sides until it gets light seared. The meaning of Bhuna chicken means the chicken is cooked thoroughly with all masalas without adding any liquids on the pan. It's also referred to pan roasting. Now I'm adding ginger and garlic paste. Again I will cook thoroughly until oil gets separated and all the ginger and garlic raw flavor gets cooked. Now it's time to add turmeric powder and red chili powder. You can add Kashmiri red chili powder, which gives nice color to the chicken without adding any extra spiciness into the chicken. In this point, I'm only adding these two spices because these two spices could easily mix up with the chicken without burning them. Now I'm adding some green chili, which gives natural aroma to our chicken, and some tomato puree. I have made tomato puree from fresh tomato. Tomato puree will help to mix with our entire masala very well without having any chunkiness to our chicken. Keep cooking for 4 to 5 minutes, and as you can see now, chicken color it changed entirely and it looks so nice. It's time to add powder spices. Some coriander powder. Add cumin powder. Also garam masala powder. Garam masala powder consists of various spices, so it gives really nice flavor to our chicken. Without adding garam masala, we cannot imagine the nice chicken masala because the name of chicken masala comes from the various masala what we have added. So it's time to add yogurt. Yogurt will really control all the flavor what we have added before. Now yogurt needs to be mixed very well with the entire chicken masala. So it's time to cook another 3 to 4 minutes by covering it. Now chicken is ready. Wow, so nice flavor, and also you can see the color of the chicken. It's so tempting, isn't it? You just want to grab this chicken and have it, right? Okay, now Let's finish the cooking process by adding freshly chopped coriander. As you can see, all the chicken pieces is well coated with the masala and roasted very well. Now let's put it on the plate. Oh, this chicken masala can goes very well with crispy naan and any kind of breads. And also you can have with rice. So, I hope you enjoyed my way of cooking. If you have any questions regarding chicken masala or anything else, please feel free to write in the comment sections. Have a good day.